Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video I will be showing you guys how much I have accumulated from shorts. So the last video I posted on this channel, I talked about my long form video, and some of you have been asking how much do you make from shorts. You want to see the metrics, want to see the analysis, want to see what it feels like earning from shorts. So I've not really posted a lot of short videos because I'm really trying to focus on my long form video on this channel. So ever since I monetized, I have not really posted a lot of shorts. So I'm going to be showing you guys how much I have accumulated so far from my shorts videos. All right, so if this is your first time you seeing my face, if this is your first time, please subscribe to this channel, hit that subscribe button. Thank you. And I have noticed a lot of you will just watch my videos, you will not watch my adverts, you will not like. Please let me give you 2 seconds. All right, please like the video, just give this video a thumbs up, and let's go straight into the video. So I'm going to break down my short earnings. And also guys, I want you to know this is not to brag about my earnings, but this is to inspire someone. If you're a new creator who is trying to monetize, who is trying to reach monetization, if you're already monetized and you're wondering how this thing works, don't worry, just watch this video to the end, like to the very end, and you understand the metrics, and you will see if posting long videos and shorts and the earnings, if they are really worth it. All right, so let's just dive straight into the video. Let me not keep you guys in suspense. So guys, I'm in my YouTube studio right now, so I'm going to be taking you guys through my short videos. So you can see I have turned on monetization for all my short videos, and mind you, whenever you get monetized, make sure you turn on the monetization for all your videos, your shorts, your live stream, every single content you've been making on YouTube. So let's go and see how much these shorts have accumulated for me. So let's start from the latest one, which is this particular one here. I did this particular short 7 days ago, and as you can see, the video performance is 8 of 10. So even your long form videos, you can see performance, and your short as well, you can still see your performance. So not just for videos. So here it's ranking 8 of 10. The views is 923 views. Okay, so here let's click on it and see how much I made. So before that, you can see here 923 views, and here you can see the subscribers. So guys, remember, you can get subscribers from your videos, your short, your live stream. All right, so this particular short gave me 5 subscribers. I know you want to see the revenue, so let's see how much I made, guys. 0.03 cents. Not dollar. This is serious business, and this is for a short that got 923 views. Let's see. Let's even look at what really got me this amount. So you can see here, I posted it since December 1st, and the estimated revenue is 0.03 cents. See guys, shorts will pay you stipends. When creators talk about shorts not giving you a lot of money, I used to think they were just saying, but now I can really tell you for a fact that the money is very little, like not even up to $1. All right, so somebody might say this is just 923 views. Let's see another short. Okay, let's go for this one. Let's click on this one. This particular one has 2.7k views. All right, and if you see, this short did well. It's having 1 of 10, and all the arrows here are going up. Like I explained, whenever your arrows are shooting up, just know you're doing something right. Okay, so let's click on it. Let's see the subscribers. 9 subscribers. You will always get subscribers, trust me. All right, so let's see for this one. 0.01 cents. I know someone is saying, the other one is 923, you got 0.03 cents, and this one, how come? Well, this particular shirt, I made it before I got monetized. So this is like after turning on my monetization, or what should I call it, tab. Okay, so after turning on monetization on all my videos and content, this is what 2,777 views short accumulated. So at this point you can see the matrix, like you can do the mathematics for yourself. And nothing beats your long form videos when it comes to earnings, because on your long form, let me break this thing down for you guys. You have the opportunity to earn from adverts, and the more ads you have on your videos, the more you earn. So if you're yet to get monetized, this should actually motivate you and inspire you to build your focus. So if you want to build your focus on shorts, then you really need to know that you have full time, like you need to create your time fully for shorts. Then if you really know you care about the money, you need to put in the efforts in your videos, right? So your videos could actually do well. And I've seen creators get millions of views on their shorts, and at the end of the day, the money is just like stipends compared to your videos. And there are so many factors that would actually influence how you earn here on YouTube. In the last video, I explained your viewers, the audience, your location. These things can influence it. The people watching your videos. Like I said, if you have more developed countries like United States, France, all these developed countries watching your videos more, trust me, you will earn higher because their CPM over there, I mean their RPM over there is really high. But if you have more of underdeveloped, like developing countries watching your videos, you will not earn so much. Okay, and so guys, I hope you can see there's a very huge gap with short and long form. So if this video is helpful, and tell me what you think as a new creator who is trying to get monetized, if you're going to focus on your videos, and if this video inspired you to work hard, let me know in the comment section. So guys, I'm going to see you in another video. Bye.